Welcome to XM.com for the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyatian. I'm Cristina Marujos. Hopes that the United Kingdom and the European Union may yet reach a deal on their divorce terms boosted the pound on Friday, taking the currency to 2.5-month highs versus the dollar. In an interview for Sky News, European Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker said we can have a deal, and also indicated that the backstop can be dropped if the UK was able to come up with an alternative that met all the objectives of the backstop. In a further encouraging sign, Britain submitted written proposals for an alternative solution, pointing to progress. However, with the global economy slowing and trade tensions potentially dragging on, the Bank of England was less optimistic about the outlook for the UK economy in its policy statement yesterday, hinting that a rate hike is not certain if the uncertainties became more entrenched. The US dollar remained under pressure versus the yen and the Swiss franc following the Bank of Japan's and the Swiss National Bank's decisions to keep their policies unchanged. The greenback declined sharply from its midweek peaks, and a raft of better-than-expected data out of the United States on Thursday failed to provide much support. But the data and a somewhat hawkish Fed weren't enough to put an end to the downtrend in U.S. Treasury yields, which have been declining all week. While the fact that the U.S. and China are talking again is positive and negotiations are expected to continue next week, a full agreement seems some distance away. Although at this point, markets might be happy with just an interim deal if those reports prove to be correct. But with President Trump reportedly being willing to raise tariffs as high as 50% and 100%, there's plenty of uncertainty surrounding the talks. Oil prices jumped by more than 1% after a Saudi-led military coalition launched military strikes on Houthi rebels in North Yemen early on Friday, just days after Saudi Arabia's largest oil processing facility was the target of an attack. Any further escalation in the region could see oil prices shoot up again, having only just pulled back from a 20% surge. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great weekend.